This is a demonstration of Pentagon Technologies QIII Ultra surface particle detector measuring particulate levels on 4 different cleanroom wipers. Cleanroom wipers are commonly used to clean critical surfaces that are sensitive to particulate. The 4 different wipers are shown in the table. The testing occurred in an ISO 4 Class 10 mini environment, so the air was very clean. The QIII Ultra measures particles on the surface down to 100 nanometers. In this test, we used the QIII Ultra with a half-inch probe, the test time set to 6 seconds, and the units are particles per square inch. You can see the QIII Ultra on the left, as well as the 4 different wipers that will be tested in this brief experiment. So we've cut the outside bag and inside bag and inserted the probe, touched the start button, and I've started to make a measurement on the first VWR cleanroom wiper. Notice we're measuring the edge of the stack of the wipers. This wiper has cellulose and poly, so the particle count is very high. Between each wiper, we purge the QIII to make sure that no particles are trapped in the probe or the system, and so that it doesn't influence the next test. After the purge, we moved on to the contact poly wiper. We cut the outside and inside bag and insert the probe to do multiple measurements. So the probe is resting on the pile of wipes inside the bag, and you can see the green light is showing that the 6-second test is occurring. And we move the probe around in between each test and take 3 successive tests. Each test takes about 6 seconds with a few seconds to get the system ready. So the total test time for 3 measurements is about 30 seconds. And after this third test, we'll look at the screen to see the results. You can see there's 8,200 nanometer particles per square inch on that final test. This table shows the results of all 4 wipers being tested by the QIII, and the results are shown on the right. So the polyester cellulose wipe had the highest particle count. The contact polyknit heat seal wipe had the lowest particle count with 77 particles per square inch. This concludes our brief experiment using the QIII Ultra to characterize cleanroom wipers for 100 nanometer particle density. You can methodically locate particle contamination sources with the QIII. The QIII is the standard in the world for particle detection on critical surfaces. For all of your particle control needs, please contact Pentagon Technologies at www.pen-tech.com. Thank you.